We begin with a devastating update from Asia. Super Typhoon Ragasa has unleashed its fury, claiming at least 17 lives in eastern Taiwan. Authorities confirm the fatalities, primarily elderly residents, occurred after a barrier lake in Hualien County overflowed due to torrential rains. Rescue operations are underway for those still missing. Meanwhile, Hong Kong experienced a day of severe weather, with fierce winds and powerful waves battering the coast. The Hong Kong Observatory has lowered its typhoon alert, but urges continued vigilance due to ongoing heavy rainfall and storms. The typhoon has now made landfall in China's southern Guangdong province. Nearly 2 million people have been evacuated from flood-prone areas as a precautionary measure. We will continue to monitor this evolving situation. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.